Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life Real Wife, and I am here to do another haul. This one is from Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. Now, I will say I've got a lot to share with y'all, but my videos keep cutting out on me, so I'm gonna do this as quick as possible. And then I will try to do another video explaining some of the things I'd like to talk about. But first of all, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I've had a huge spike in my number jump, and I could not be more grateful and more thankful to each and every one of y'all. Stay tuned for upcoming videos to show my appreciation. With that being said, I went to Dollar Tree to pick up my grandson's gift card. And my other grandson, that's the gift card is for my son's son. And my daughter had asked me while she was here cleaning if I would be willing to do my grandson's box for his Valentine's swap at school. And because she knows that's, what mama does. So I said yes, but he needs to be involved. So with that, I'm going to make the box. I will put some paper according for a little boy and Valentine's Day and all that. I've got some boy stickers I'm going to give him, but I also picked up some Valentine stickers just in case he wants to make it more Valentine. But more than likely, he is definitely a boy's boy, so he will probably pick the boy stickers so mom can give these back to me. Second of all, yes, these are pink and purple, but there's two red. So I figured, what kid does not love to stamp ink everywhere? I know I did as a kid and I still do as an adult. So I picked those up for him so that he can stamp on his box as well. Then I grabbed these little lights. If you noticed in my Michael's haul, there was a frame with a chicken wire in it. I had picked that up to share the displays of all the blessings y'all have sent me in my challenge. So I want to do a love theme around it. I'm looking for a love sign, a big love sign. And I thought I could use these red LED light strings to light it up as well, because y'all have all shown me so much love. Then for a friend, I saw these, which y'all know I have a friend who loves her gnomes. And I saw those, so I grabbed those and picked those up for her. One is turned over because she asked for it to be a surprise. But this has got the welcome sign, the little birdhouse, and the little lamp. And it's all from Dollar Tree. And it's fairy garden figurines. They did have fairies if you're interested. But this has the cute little leaf table and the little leaf chairs. I thought they were super adorable. So I got these for a friend, and they will go for her. I will not show the other ones so that she can have her wish of being surprised at least on one of them. Then, for another friend, I'm sending her a package out. So I just, instead of trying to make a card, I'm just going to cheat. And I know she's okay with that. But on the inside it says, wishing you lots of love and happiness this Valentine's Day, because I've got a package going out to her. And here is another one that I have been requested to make. So when I made Trina's with Trina's Place, I was told that she wanted one. And I found this fan. She said she didn't care what color. She just wanted it. And when I saw this, I thought, well, if you don't care about the color, then good. Because it is a rainbow of gorgeousness. It's got the gold glitters. It's got the white. It's got my favorite colors, blue and pink. So yeah, I figure I cannot go wrong there. And so I'm going to bless her with a fan. So that was my Dollar Tree. Hobby Lobby. I'm going to be honest with you. I didn't get a lot of good clearance. I did get some, but not a ton, because they were still in the aisles calculating everything. Now this, I paid full price except for my 40% off. But remember, Miss Lorraine had blessed me with some eyelash, and I said there was at least 2 to 3 basics that I wanted. And it was this white sparkle iridescent, which I will be sharing, and then this silver sparkle iridescent. Now, when I was there, I did see a black sparkle and I did see a gold sparkle. So I may go get those. But as far as eyelash trim goes, I do not need any more. I have been so blessed by Miss Lorraine, but I will be sharing the love with that. Also, when I picked up the red clothespins at Michael's, I believe it was, during the haul, I said I needed black ones. I went ahead and picked up some black ones. Again, this is to hang y'all's display on that frame for all the beautiful things y'all have sent me. I also, I thought I had another one, but I'm guessing not. No. I did see these on clearance. These were so cute. Someone had sent me a gift in my challenge that had one of these on it, and it had HBD for happy birthday, and oh my gosh, I just loved it so much. So when I saw these, I picked these up. So I picked 2 of those, and then I saw these mermaid tails, and I'm in the middle of sending out a birthday package, so I'm hoping to bless her with those. Then I saw this pack. Their Paper Studio was half off. This was $8.99, and I also have another friend I'm sending out a happy mail for. And I saw somebody haul this, and I don't want to open it because it is being gifted away. And I'm hoping you can see. Maybe I'm going too fast. Let's see. Are y'all seeing some of that? That you can see some of it, because I will not open this package if it's going out and I can help it. But there are some of her favorite colors. And so I thought, oh wow, I've got to find that. So I did. Now, I'll show you right here. It's got the metallic foil, and it's in the blues, turquoise, purples, and blacks, and it absolutely is gorgeous. But I knew when I saw it, a friend of mine would love it, and since I'm getting her back together, I wanted to grab that for her, and that was 50% off. Sorry, folks, my phone just cut off. This was originally $9.99, and it was on clearance for $2.49, and it's the Mambi kit by 12 by 12. And I'm just going to run through this real quick so I can hopefully show you the next 2 things. But I got this, and I thought of a friend, and she said she loved it, so she will be receiving it. And then I picked 2 of these up. Now, they are the same, but the covers are different. I think somebody has opened this package. But I picked 2 of these up because I am not a huge mermaid. I'm not a huge unicorn. I love creating with it, but it's not something I collect. But I loved this whole vintage look of the mermaid sea maiden. And when I saw it, somebody haul it, I looked, I saw, and they only had 2, so I grabbed 2. One for me, and yes, one for a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap this up because my phone keeps coming off on me. And I cannot figure out, I've got 2 phones, and they're both just slam packed, and it doesn't matter how much I delete on there, it's just not working for me. Cross your fingers. Yes, I ask for a few prayers for my sickness, and hopefully we can get this done and over with, and I can quit getting sick. But with that being said, again, thank you to everybody who is new. Thank you for all who keep supporting me over and over. You mean the world to me, and know that there will be a big giveaway coming up. So thank you all for your time, and I wish you the best always.